Hey guys, I'm back with another Mask Monday, and this mask is a Shea Moisture. I do have one Mask Monday with Shea Moisture, but I actually have 4 deep treatment masks of Shea Moisture, so I'm going to tell you about them. I do have a video on this full entire line. I will leave that in the description box, but I did not go into detail like that on the mask. This is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. It has shea butter, peppermint, apple cider vinegar. It nourishes and renews natural, chemically processed or heat styled hair. It is sulfate free and color safe. And this is 12 ounces and it was $10.99, I believe. I did get it from Sally's. My hair is washed and shampooed, but Lord help me, my hair t-shirt dry, so want to get it a little damp at least. This water bottle ain't gonna work out. Y'all, I love this entire line. Like, it definitely smells like a Jamaican black castor oil, but it's literally melting into my hands. And if you don't know, Jamaican black castor oil does give you, supposedly promotes hair growth. Y'all, the definition that this line gives me, it's literally melting into my hair. Definitely put a lot of water on. That's neither here nor there. The consistency is thick. It's almost like clay. Or is it clay? Clay be the right word? Could be like clay. It feels so good. I think I'm just gonna twist this up. I've been doing that lately. Have yet to find the significance of it. Maybe it's holding in the moisture. But I'm just going to finish this, and when I rinse it out, I'll be back. Yeah. All right. So this is I always start with, I don't know what I start with. This is the mask all rinsed out. My hair does feel moisturized. It did give it a bit of a definition. The smell is pretty strong. It does linger. I never show the back, but I mean, it don't be defined. But my hair is like full, y'all. Look at that. So I love this whole entire line, so you already know I'm gonna recommend this deep treatment mask. You already know, y'all. I have used it about 3 times, and this is all that I have used. Like, I still have so much left to use, but again, I do have a lot of deep conditioners, so I rotate them. The organic shea butter is to deeply moisturize while conditioning hair and scalp. The Jamaican black castor oil is loaded with reparative omegas that promotes healthy hair growth, and the peppermint stimulates the scalp for a invigorating experience. So yeah, it does have glycerin in it, and yeah, but it has like fruit oil, seed oil, leaf extract, So yeah, but it has no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates. I still haven't pronounced that right. No propylene, no mineral oil, no animal testing, and no petroleum. 12 ounces, $10.99. You can't really beat that. Like I said, I love it. I love it. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.